Ladies and gentlemen, I'm interrupting this program with a special announcement. Let me tell you something about that feast of mine.
Let me tell you something about that.
Just the way I live my vegan life. Let me tell you something about this feast of mine. Got that V on the front, V on my back, V on my mind, and V on my tap.
Damn.
But it runs skin deep. V on my plate and V on my feet. V on my lap and V on my side. V when I rap and V when I ride. V because I wanna be on that side. V because I do not want him to die. It's the way I live my life is just the way I live my vegan life. It's just the way.
My whole talk was really just about trying to prove that small decisions that we take, in my case, it was a very small private decision. The decision was, I love animals, why am I eating animals, and should I stop eating them? And I stopped eating them, and that changed my life and changed thousands of other people's lives. I'm very grateful that I can be here, and yeah, it was great. I can't wait to come back.
I love birds in the breeze, chimps in the trees, ducks, macaws, let's not forget the bees, cows and their babies, fish in the seas, whales and chickens, all rest in peace. Close the sea world, save the rhino, save a two-row.
Karkoli v bistvu lahko storimo, da ohranjamo naravo, da smo spoštljivi in odgovorni do ljudi, do živali, absolutno to podpiram, zato vedno in z veseljem torej pridem tudi na Vegafest in odigram nekaj svoje glasbe.
Ne bodi, kar nisi.
I live my vegan life, it's just a way.
This is a cow, Deseta, in Croatia. So there's a lot of animals here that I believe in. So they all say the same message I feel. So that's why I say that I can use my voice. I can use my voice to give their voice, to other people so they can hear it in that way. So that's why I write songs from animals' point of view mostly. Because if you go vegan for animals, you will go vegan for health, planet, and for yourself. We're not just here for health. We're not here just for recipes, okay? Vegan cheesecake is a great thing, but to me, what matters more is that I support an animal sanctuary, or I go to an animal sanctuary and connect heart to heart, face to face with animals and people working there, and help them out. Help them because they need help more than anything else. Because somebody will do the cube, somebody will do confronting activism, somebody will do nice things, somebody will bake cakes. Everything works.
Razljivost in športniki praktično glih to kot pri nekem bodybuilderju. Se pravi, beljakovin moramo dobiti ogromno.
V bistvu mi je bil to na začetku nek izziv, sem šla v to zaradi zdravja, na koncu pa prišla tudi etika v to enačbo.